Hi everybody. So today we're going to learn another 7th chord. This time it's the D dominant 7th or D7 chord. Last time we did the G7. To do that formula again, we first have to start with the D major scale, which we haven't done yet. So it's the first note is a D, then the E, then the F sharp, finger goes under for the G, A, B, C sharp, D. And then going back, all 5 fingers, D, C sharp, B, A, G, middle finger cross over to F, E, D. Okay, so now to make the chord, we play the D major, so when we're in root position, we're going to play the 1st, 3rd, and 5th note of the scale, which is a D, F sharp, and an A. And then I'm going to shift my fingers over so I can play the flatted 7th note. Okay, if you look at the scale, it's the 7th of the scale is a C sharp. We have to flatten that, which means 1 key to the left or lower, or 1/2 step, and that is a C natural. So we add that to it. So it's D, F sharp, A, C. Okay, and then sometimes you play around. When you play around the chord, you kind of hear songs. Remember that one? Pretty Woman. So we're not going to play that one. So another way of figuring out that which is the 7th note in a D7 chord is to go to the first note of that scale, which even though it's up higher, it's still a D, and we're going to just go 2 keys lower, flatter, or to the left. So it'll be C sharp and then C. And that'll be with every time. Remember when we did the G7, it was the key of G, so it'd be F sharp, F natural. Okay? Okay? Oh, another song. So that chord is made off of a D7. Doesn't that sound? I forget who did that. I think it was the Kinks or the Zombies or somebody, or the Animals. That was back in the 60s. Cool tune. I forget the name of it though. Okay, so to play that we could, and then when we play it again like the G7, we don't have to play all 4 notes. So we can go ahead and we could skip that A. So we'll play D, F sharp, C. And you can hear that tension, like it wants to resolve back to the tonic or the 1 chord, which is a G. So we're going to play the song we played last lesson, Twist and Shout. But we're going to play in a different key. It's going to be the key of G, so it'll be G, C, and D. It's also easy for me to sing. So I'm going to show you that D7 now is that inversion. So we're playing in G, root position, and then the inversion for the C chord is right there. And then the D chord is F sharp, A, D. And then to make the D7, we're going to leave out that A, and we're going to play F sharp, C, D. Okay, so there's only 4 chords that we need for twist and shout in this arrangement. It's in the key of G, so it'll be 2 counts of G, 2 counts of C, 2 counts of D, 2 counts D7, back to G, C, D, D7, and that's where it just repeats all the way through till you get to the bridge. So we'll end with the bridge. We're going to sing 2 verses, and then we'll end on that bridge where they have those harmonies over the D7 chord. So everything's quarter notes, both hands. I'll count to, I'll say 1, 2, 1, 2. We'll shake it up, baby. Coming on that G. 1, 2, 1, 2. We'll shake it up, baby, now. Twist and shout. Come on, baby, now. Come on and work it on out. You know you look so good. You know you look so fine. Come on and twist a little closer now. and let me know that you're mine. Added that F natural to make it sound a little bluesier there. Okay, so there's twist and shout in a different key, so you can see what suits your voice better. That's the reason I'm giving you two keys, and later on I'll show you how to decide on that. The key of G is definitely a better key for me to sing it. So hope you're having fun with this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.